on? Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Morning. I'm heading out this morning, but I had a little bit of extra time, and I said, let me get this lure in the water and see what I can pick up this morning early. The water looks good, guys. Love that clarity. It's not that dark. It's not that good for diving, but it's pretty clear. So stop by a little local spot, see if I can get this lure in the water and see if we can pick something up, guys. Let's see what's up, guys. Might get a hit this morning early, who knows. Get it out here, guys. Long jaw chasing it. Sun ain't up yet, guys, but find a silver lure this morning. Rod is a little bit heavier than my normal rod, guys. Long jaws have seen it. I mean, it's getting that attention, guys. Scanning the water. Hey, guys. Working this, guys. Get that barrow's attention this morning. See if we can pick up a nice 5-pounder or 10-pounder this morning, hopefully. Nothing's guaranteed, guys. I'm just trying to think. Have a half an hour to kill. That's alright. I haven't caught nothing here in a long time, especially on the lures, guys. So still got time. Actually want to be on this rock. Let's get on it. Parrotfish and other fish have seen it. Let's get it back out there again. Crush my shirt up. Oh shit. Almost fell off the rock, guys. Almost lost my balance. Out, guys. I don't hear no explosions on the water. I don't see any bait fish running. wonder if I should just change off to the white lure, guys, being that there's no sunlight to give me a glitter on this lure right here. I see chases, that means it's visible. The sun hasn't even really come up yet, guys, that early. I'm getting chased by parrotfish and all kind of other species. They see it, they're attracted to it. But I don't see Mr. Big Cruising Barra running around here anywhere. Normally we want to give this a shot. Alright, let's walk down a little bit further. We scanned all the way down here for a good 5-6 casts. And we haven't picked up nothing yet. We're gonna go to the flat rock down here, guys. Cool, man. People are dumping tile here, guys, or garbage. Sucks on the seaside. And then we'll hit that flat rock up there real quick. There you guys. This rod's a little bit heavier than I'm normally used to with my other rod, but I just have to fill that gap until, guys. Alright, let me change this lure off. Not getting a good response on this lure like I'm supposed to. Full high visibility. So you want to go with, buddy? Bone white. Go with this wobbler, twitch bait. Alright. Fudge bucket. I want to crush my shirt up, but that's exactly what's happening. Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, this is swimming a lot better. Whole lot better, guys. We're gonna go up and around. Get a little bit bird's eye view up here. I seen a barra chase my line down up here one day, and apparently this is where he lives at. So we're gonna get on this flat rock where I actually spotted him from, right up here someplace. I hate hitting my lure against rock, guys. That's a sure way of cracking them sometimes, or damaging the lip. Yeah, something snapped after something right there a while ago. Sometimes the barra don't strike on the first strike, guys. Yeah, I like to keep an eye on my lures at times, guys. And watch them swim into me. Alright, let's shift. Get a little bit closer to the edge. Shifted because of the rain. Has to be a barra around here someplace, guys. Ooh, ooh, fish on, guys. Ooh. Look at that, shore fishing. Yeah, guys. Gotcha. Let's get you. Whew. Damn it, boy. Gotcha. Gotta go rinse you off now. Hi, YouTubers. That's it. That's all there is to be wrote. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the thing. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.